Hello everyone. If it is the ringing sound in the ear that bothers you often, most of the time, then this maneuver can be of help to you. This is called as the Tragus Maneuver for treating and relieving the symptoms of tinnitus. To perform the technique, we are going to use the index finger, which is going to be placed over the tragus of the ear, and we are going to push the tragus down into the ear canal. And now we are going to perform this on both sides together. And now while holding this pressure, we are going to move the tragus either in the clockwise or the anti-clockwise direction, but without sliding the finger over the skin. So we are going to just move the tragus as a whole in the clockwise or the anti-clockwise direction. Once we meet with the tissue resistance, we are going to stop at that particular position, and we are going to hold it for around 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then we can also repeat the procedure in the anti-clockwise direction. Perform this daily at least 2 times and see the magical results. See you all in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.